Eve, an urban air mobility UAM company owned by Embraer, has partnered with a unit of Ferrovial, an international transport infrastructure group, to develop vertiport and air traffic management ATM systems for the launch of air taxi services expected to begin in 2025. The partnership will combine Eve's expertise in UAM craft, infrastructure, and ATM tech development with Ferrovial's experience in mass transport infrastructure. Ferrovial's vertiport team is developing more than 10 vertiports across Florida and 25 others in UK cities. Eve will provide air traffic management solutions and insights it has collected in work on its own electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft for passenger services. The partnership aims to build a series of agnostic vertiport networks across the US and Europe, and ensure the integration of air taxis into local and national airspaces. Under the agreement, the company adapts its air traffic tech to Ferrovial's vertiport infrastructures and development activity, which will serve as the evolving ecosystems providing the operational and charging assets and services needed for next-generation air travel. Swedish furniture company IKEA has expanded its use of drones for automated inventory tracking in its stores, bringing its fleet of label-scanning UAVs to a total of 100. The drones are used between 10:30 p.m. and 4 a.m. to scan barcodes on boxes stacked up to warehouse ceilings, allowing for quicker completion of inventories and offering real-time views of on-hand supplies. Each IKEA facility has over 10,000 spots for stocking various items, which can take 3 months to check manually. Use of drones allows for far quicker completion of inventories, offering near real-time views of on-hand supplies and immediate detection of missing or misplaced items. Swiss specialist Verity oversees the operation of the drones, which are used at IKEA stores in Belgium, Croatia, Slovenia, Germany, Italy, the Netherlands, and Switzerland. The company has been providing IKEA franchises with its system since the group first introduced the tech 2 years ago. IKEA's partner Inca, which manages the company's operations in 31 markets, plans to continue developing deployment of UAVs and robotic vehicles throughout its global network. Lockheed Martin has concluded that teams of autonomous aircraft working collaboratively with a crewed airplane, where each aircraft performs its own unique mission, are more effective than the loyal wingman approach. This approach involves a piloted aircraft being paired with one similarly equipped, autonomous multi-mission aircraft. The company found that pairing expensive, but survivable uncrewed systems with relatively cheap ones is also cost-effective. This concept, called manned-unmanned teaming or MUM-T, is similar to the Air Force's Next Generation Air Dominance program, which uses a family of systems that can collaboratively defeat a high-level adversary. Lockheed Martin's analysis focused on finding the most effective combination of aircraft against a peer adversary's air defenses. The company concluded that pairing a high-end crewed aircraft with a number of uncrewed aircraft, matched to it in speed and stealth, along with a number of less costly or expendable platforms, offers the best solution. According to an insider, the uncrewed aircraft work best when they are detached and function independently rather than attached, and depending on direction from the crewed airplane. This allows them the freedom of maneuver they need. AeroVironment has launched the newest version of its Switchblade 300 missile system, called the Switchblade 300 Block 20, which builds on the proven performance of the Block 10C. The missile is lightweight, portable, and easy to operate, requiring only a single operator, with an integrated control system that simplifies operation. The new tablet-based fire control system allows operators to train, plan and execute missions. The missile can be deployed in less than 2 minutes, and its precision-guided capabilities make it effective against lethal threats. The Switchblade 300 Block 20 has several improvements, including a longer endurance. Improved digital data link range. New EOIR panning camera suite. Left-hand commit with continuous positive identification, and patented wave-off capability. It delivers real-time video for use against beyond line-of-sight targets and cursor-on-target GPS coordinates for situational awareness and targeting. The missile system provides standalone precision and lethal effects with minimal collateral damage, making it an ideal solution for small expeditionary units.